Hello, welcome to our channel. We are happy to share simple habits that can improve your life in powerful ways. Today's topic is something you use every second of your life. Your brain. It helps you think. It helps you remember. It helps you make decisions. Yet most people take it for granted. Have you ever forgotten something important, struggled to focus, felt like your mind is slow? This is not always about age. It is often about how you support your brain. Your brain needs fuel. Not just any fuel. The right kind. This is where your daily food choices become critical. Let's begin with one of the most powerful brain foods. Fatty fish. Fish like salmon contains omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients are essential for brain structure. They support communication between brain cells. Without enough of them, your thinking becomes slower. Your memory becomes weaker. Then comes walnuts. They look like the brain for a reason. Walnuts contain healthy fats that support cognitive function. They help your brain stay active. They support long-term memory. Next, blueberries. Small yet powerful. They are rich in antioxidants. These compounds protect your brain from stress. They help preserve brain function over time. Then eggs. Eggs contain important nutrients like choline. Your brain uses choline to produce signals. These signals are necessary for memory formation. Without it, your recall becomes weaker. Another important option, dark chocolate. In small amounts, it improves blood flow. Better circulation means better oxygen delivery. Your brain becomes more alert. Focus improves. But here is the truth. No single food will change everything overnight. This is not a quick fix. This is a system, a pattern. When you consistently give your brain the right nutrients, something begins to change. Your thoughts become clearer. Your focus becomes stronger. Your memory becomes sharper. You feel more in control. Because your brain is not separate from your body. It reflects your lifestyle. Poor nutrition creates slow thinking. Balanced nutrition creates clarity. So what should you do? Start simple. Add these foods to your daily routine. Not occasionally. Regularly. Consistency builds results. Because a strong mind is not built in one day. It is built every day. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Your support matters. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay sharp, take care.